So hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. If you have a makeup brand or a beauty brand and you promote your business using TikTok ads, you want to create a systematic record of all your leads in one single place because it's very tiring to add all the data manually, then this video is just for you. So over here, imagine a new lead is generated through your TikTok ads and automatically the record of your leads details is added in your Google Sheets and a systematic record has been created that you can easily share with your team members. Yes, this is possible and we are going to create this connection that without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the creation of this automation. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features. If you're an existing user, just like I am, directly sign in from here. Now you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button and Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear. Now to create an automation, click on this Create Workflow button. I want my workflow to be created through the new beta method version, so I will select this version from here. And for the name of my workflow, I will give it as Every New TikTok Lead Goes in Google Sheets for My Beauty Brand. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'll select the workflows folder and click on this create button. A workflow has been created. Before I create this automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community, which is an exclusive space with the help of which you can get real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here in this space, you can ask questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, and also if you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly, you can check out the code given on the screen or added in the description section, using which you can get instant discounts on your yearly and lifetime deals with Pabbly. So go ahead and use the code. Okay, let's set up our trigger right over here. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. For my trigger application, I will select over here as what TikTok lead generation event is going to be new lead, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated through my TikTok ads, automatically my trigger is going to capture the response of that. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with TikTok lead generation button. Okay, now over here it is asking for me to give the permission of this account to Pabbly Connect, for which I'm going to click on this confirm button, as this is a safe process and my entire data is perfectly safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now we need to select the advertisement ID as well as the form ID. I have an advertisement ID in the name of Pabblytudes Advanced, so I will select that ID from here, and the form ID is lead gen form. Okay, you can see I will select both of the details right here, with the help of which I am collecting my leads data. Okay, simply click on the save and send test request button. Now if you don't have a real-time lead coming through your TikTok ads at this moment, what you can do is you can generate a test lead. For that, you have to follow this important note. If you do not have a real lead coming in real time, you can generate a test lead yourself. To generate a test lead, capture the trigger response in TikTok lead generation app. You will make sure to use create test lead action in the next step. Okay, so now to generate a new test lead, simply add an action step. Select TikTok as your action application and the event is going to be create test lead. Select the same information from here, click on the save and send test request button, and the lead is going to be generated. So let me show you the test lead response right here. I have captured the response of the test lead data. To tally the response, you will see right over here, I have received the name as Jane Doe. This is the dummy email address and the dummy phone number. So as now the test lead response has been captured, TikTok is connected. In the similar manner, the real-time lead data is going to be captured in the trigger as well. Okay, add an action step, because now we're going to add this lead of our beauty brand in our Google Sheets as a systematic record. For that, simply add an action step, in which for the action application, select Google Sheets. Event is going to be add new row. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on the sign in with Google button. Now it is asking for us to choose an account, with the help of which I have created the spreadsheet. So this is the account. I will select it. Then it is asking for the access of this account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my entire data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. After creating the connection, firstly it is asking for me to select the spreadsheet. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of leads details and the sheet is sheet 1. So I will select the details over here, the sheet and the spreadsheet. Next it is asking for the name, email address and the phone number. These are the headers that I have created. You can add in other headers according to your requirement. I only have 3 headers, so now let's add the data right over here in the fields. In order to add the details, simply click on this field. First field is in the name of name. Okay. Enter the slash button. You will see the previous response, previous step. Click on this. You will see the previous response right here. And in this test response, I have captured the data of the name of my lead. So I will select the data of the name of my lead from my previous response. Now, as I've selected this data from the previous response, the data in this field has been what? Mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the email address right over here. So let me search and map the data. And lastly, for the phone number, I will map the data of the phone number also over here. Okay. Now next I'm going to click on the save and send test request button where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and in my Google Sheets a record has been created. Name is Jane Doe. This was a dummy email address with a dummy phone number. So as now this record has been created, this means that Google Sheets is now been connected to Pabbly Connect as well, and now whenever a new TikTok lead will be generated, automatically the record of that lead will be created in my Google Sheets systematically. Okay. So this is how you create the connection between these two applications. And now whenever for your beauty brand, whenever a new lead will be generated through your TikTok ads, the record will be created and you can share that record with your team very easily by sharing this entire spreadsheet. Okay. So if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow that I've created in this video, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we will reply to you as soon as possible. If you need a free template, the exact workflow that I've created, you can check out the template workflow link in the description section. It's absolutely for free. Go ahead and use it. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.